What's the meaning of bibliography? Bibliography. Bibliography.
Bibliography. Bibliography. Bibliography refers to a list of sources that have been used in a particular work, such as a book, article, or academic paper. These sources may include books, journals, websites, and other materials that have been consulted or cited in the work. A bibliography typically provides bibliographic information about each source, such as the author's name, title, publication date, and publisher. The purpose of a bibliography is to give credit to the authors whose work has been used in the research process and to help readers locate the sources referenced in the work. A well-crafted bibliography can serve as a valuable resource for further research and exploration.